Here's a SMC U52 ceiling fan, second generation. This fan here dates to 1991 from, I believe, March of 1991, I believe. But I got this fan off Facebook Marketplace. It's kind of a reminiscence of my childhood fan, but except it's the first generation and it's all bright brass. But this fan here is all, everything here you see here is all original except for the pull chain. That's what I added. But yeah, throw it off on low. Noise you hear in the background is my radio. See up here. Just turn the light off. Medium. It does shudder, just to let you guys know about that. As the most 80s and 90s hugger fans do. They shudder like no tomorrow. High speed. You might be asking, Chris, why do you buy a piece of crap SMC? Let me tell you why. I've always known that SMC is an okay brand, but for fans like this, let's turn the light on so you can see it. For fans like this, they're kind of childhood to me. I know they seem kind of low end and junk, but let me tell you something here. I just want to have this, and basically when I have my own place, this is going up in the dining room. But yeah. Blows decent air. I believe the blade pitch is around, I say, 14 degrees, 13 degrees. I'm not even sure. I think it's 13 degrees. The box is not really secured. I might even try to replace the box one day, but right now once I save up to buy my own place, I will just put a light up. It doesn't really need to be tampered with anymore. So unless this is my place, I would do something about it. But since it's not my place, technically it's my parents' place, I'm just gonna leave it be. So, yeah. I believe it got, yeah, these SMCs are known for their junk bearings, so let's cut it off that switch. It torques, so you can hear the click on it, that the globe's moving. Okay, that is my 52-inch SMC U52 second generation ceiling fan. Thank you.